swimming out at sea.
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo! Where are you?
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science, great there's
By who?
Oh. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. We did that. I don't remember it all.
Is he on the white stripes and looks like he's being solid?
Yes. See?
See who?
There's jellyfish. Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink and a balloon.
That's jellyfish!
Good. It's like I'm scared now.
Someone help me! Stop moving around!
I wonder if clownfish taste. Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite!
Everybody's looking for you. You got it, dear. There you are, Nemo. Come aboard, explorers. Filled with wonder and new discovery. See you next time.
It looks like we're getting both Calvin and Rainier. Calvin is on your left, Rainier is on your right, and you are getting Calvin's good side right now. Right, you can Calvin over which one. We'll come down to the other window as well.
Alilis. Tira foto mo yan.
Alright, Calvin, we're getting the good side again.
Olha que bonitinho. Ela tá conversando com eles, mãe, tá vendo? Olha lá, tadinho, para não.
Alright, everybody wants to wave goodbye. This does conclude our presentation for today. So do you guys for taking the time to learn a little bit more about dolphins today?
Introducing the ultimate way to elevate your Disney experience. Imagine dining like never before, right in the heart of the magic. Our custom-made tablecloths for Disney trash cans are designed to bring you a dining experience that's simply extra. Elevate your special moments even further with matching napkins, eco-friendly flatware, and the ambience of a charming candlestick. Choose from a wide range of enchanting Disney-themed patterns that resonate with your favorite stories. Whether you're having a romantic dinner, a family gathering, or simply want to make festival snacking special, our tablecloths are here to transform your moments into picture-perfect magical memories. Visit our website and bring the extra to your table because every moment can be a magical moment.